Once upon a time, in a remote monastery high in the mountains, there lived a wise Zen master named Master Koji. He was known throughout the land for his profound wisdom and serene presence. One day, a young and curious student named Kenji arrived at the monastery seeking to learn the ancient secrets of the mind. Kenji approached the master and said, "Master Koji, I have heard that you possess the ability to read someone's mind. Please teach me this incredible skill." Master Koji smiled gently and said, "Reading someone's mind is not about supernatural powers, my dear Kenji. It's about understanding the depths of human nature and connecting with others on a profound level. Let me show you the way." Over the next few months, Master Koji guided Kenji through a series of lessons, teaching him about mindfulness, empathy, and the art of deep listening. Kenji learned to quiet his own thoughts and truly focus on others. He practiced meditation daily, honing his ability to be fully present in the moment. One sunny afternoon, as they sat by a serene pond, Master Koji handed Kenji a lotus flower and said, "Kenji, tell me what you see." Kenji observed the lotus for a moment and described its delicate petals, vibrant colors, and the way it floated gracefully on the water. Master Koji then took the lotus back and placed it in Kenji's hands. He said, "Kenji, you see this lotus, but do you feel its essence? Can you sense its life force and the beauty it holds within?" Kenji closed his eyes, took a deep breath, and allowed his awareness to connect with the lotus. He began to feel a deep connection with the flower, as if he could sense its very soul. Master Koji smiled and said, "Kenji, this is the essence of reading someone's mind. It's about going beyond the surface, beyond words and appearances, to connect with the essence of their being. It's not about invading their thoughts, but understanding their heart." Over the years, Kenji continued to study under Master Koji's guidance, honing his ability to read people's hearts and minds. He became renowned for his wisdom and empathy, helping others find peace and clarity in their lives. Master Koji taught Kenji a valuable lesson, that reading someone's mind is not about supernatural powers, but about deep understanding, empathy, and connection. It's a skill that comes from within, born of a pure heart and a clear mind. And so, the legend of Master Koji and his student Kenji became a symbol of the profound wisdom that can be found in the simple beauty of a lotus and the depths of the human heart.